Alright, let's go, Max. Show me how you can walk. Ready? Max has been walking all morning, so he's a little tired. Oh, no, we're not walking. Really? Lazy bum. Alright. Oh. Let's get him on the carpet. Alright, you do it. No. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Max. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Maxie. Come on, buddy. How come you always poop out when I get the camera? Thank you. Come on. Let's go, bud. He's working hard. He's breaking a sweat. He's falling asleep. Come on. Oh. Let's go, bud. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Maxie. You're just gonna run over your feet. I'm tired. I ate a cat and a half this morning, and I'm pooped.